In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a Zap for better organization. Clear, consistent names make it much easier to scan your workspace, understand what each automation does at a glance, and keep teams aligned. We'll walk through two simple places where you can rename a Zap, and I'll share quick naming tips so your list stays tidy and searchable. First, let's rename a Zap inside the Zap editor. Open the Zap you want to update. At the very top left of the editor, you'll see the title area. If you never name the Zap, it might say something like Name Your Zap or show a generic app-based name. Click directly on that title. The text becomes editable, so go ahead and type the new name you want. When you're happy with it, press enter or simply click anywhere outside the title to save. That's it, the change applies right away, so the updated name will appear both in the editor and back on your Zaps list. This method is perfect when you're already working on the Zaps steps and want to lock in a clear, descriptive name before you move on. Now let's look at renaming from the Zap dashboard. Go to your Zaps home folder where all your automations are listed. Find the Zap you want to change. On the far right side of that Zaps row, click the three dots icon. From the drop-down menu, choose Rename. A small field will appear where you can type your new name. Enter it, then click Save to confirm. This method is great when you're organizing multiple Zaps at once, or you want to clean up names without opening each Zap individually. A few quick tips to keep your naming consistent and useful. Aim for names that describe the trigger and the outcome, like new form submission to CRM contact or invoice paid to thank you email. If it helps, add a short category or team tag at the front, such as support, marketing, or finance. Keep names concise but specific enough that you can tell similar Zaps apart. Avoid including private or sensitive information in titles. And remember, renaming a Zap does not change how it runs. It simply makes your workspace cleaner and easier to manage. That's all you need to confidently rename your Zaps from the editor or the dashboard. Keep your naming consistent, update titles as workflows evolve, and your automation library will stay organized and effortless to navigate.